Let's go check it out. We are here at Negril bar. Let's go. It don't even need no talking. It's too cold out here, man. But come on. Is this, okay, so can you briefly explain like the background on this? Is this a Jamaican restaurant or just Caribbean based?
It's a Caribbean Jamaican restaurant. This was actually a firehouse. It used to be a firehouse before. These little holes that you guys see is where the fire used to be at. So they just, you see that little hole? Because we have an upstairs area that we hold events in. Whenever I work upstairs, I'm always like looking through that little glass surface down. And I'm like, oh my God, they really jumped that distance all the way down. Yeah. So they turned it into a restaurant, and now we got Negril. And I love Negril. You guys ready to order?
Are you ready?
I told you what I want.
How spicy is the jerk?
Jerk?
Yeah.
It's spicy to some people. It's not that spicy to me. You definitely will need water.
Let me get curry chicken roti.
Curry chicken roti, okay.
Hey everyone, my name is Damien. I am the bartender at Negril, Atlanta. And I'm gonna be making a Hennessy Sidecar and a Hibiscus Margarita with this one. The Hennessy Sidecar, you wanna do 2 parts Hennessy. 1 part Grand Marnier. And it depends on the sweetness. I like it a little bit sweet, so I'll add a little bit of simple syrup and lemon juice. And I like to drop a lemon in it. And add a little ice. Shake. All right. Get it nice and coagulated. Then you want to garnish it with a lemon. Some people like to drop it in. I don't. Put it on the side and add a straw. Hennessy Sidecar. All right. And then now we'll do the Hibiscus Margarita, right? All right. So I'm gonna garnish your cup. This is nutmeg, cinnamon, and sugar. So you wanna garnish your cup with that. About looking like this. Tequila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then you add lime juice. And simple syrup. That's it. It's that simple, literally. Shake. All right, and then you add. And then you want to add your hibiscus. Same thing. Garnish it with the lime this time. Nothing on top. And then you sprinkle a little bit of the garnish on top. And that's it. Hibiscus Margarita and your Hennessy Sidecar. Enjoy.
So what we have here is the Hibiscus Margarita, the Sidecar, Hennessy Sidecar, and the Rum Punch. I know how Rum Punches is where I'm from, so I had to engage in this fun activity of this Rum Punch. We're about to find out what's going on with this Rum Punch. But the hibiscus caught my attention because I really like hibiscus. When I was younger, I used to drink hibiscus juice all the time. So I want to see how it tastes. This was just, a drink that they suggested. So we're gonna jump into it. Why play with it? Let's go. We're gonna jump this Rum Punch right quick. she said it was one of the strongest drinks here. And it's proven that already. So it's 5 o'clock somewhere. I just don't care where, but for right now, it's right here. So hibiscus. I don't know what's this on the rim. It's something. Brown sugar. Brown sugar and cinnamon. But this tastes nice. Here come the food. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through this right quick. Hennessy Sidecar. I'm already going through the motions already. Oh my goodness. You could taste the Henny, but you really can't. It's something that's offsetting. But I really like all three of them. If you really want to come here and get bent, these drinks is what you need. So let's go. So this is the exact order that the drinks need to be in. So this is from first to worst, first, second, third. And I'm not saying first to worst like it's terrible, but this is my favorite, and this is my second favorite, and this is my third favorite. So that's how we're gonna run it. Very fruity, very strong, very different, very strong. Hennessy. I'm not the biggest fan of Hennessy, maybe white Hennessy, but not the traditional brown Hennessy. Definitely not. White Hennessy more smoother, but to the next move. So we're back. Cod fritters. Never heard of it. I'm interested in trying it. So let's jump into this. So we're about to dive into this. So it's like a little sauce. So I'm gonna taste it without the sauce first. So it's real crunchy on the outside. Plenty of flavor. Ooh, it's a spice to it too. So be careful. The sauce kind of tastes like guacamole, but not guacamole. It kind of soothes the spiciness to it. That's how spicy it is. My nose on it. So this is this disclaimer. Cod fritters, spicy, caliente. Be careful, especially if you're not a spicy person. Definitely not me, but it tastes good though. So till the next plate come out. So let's dig in. So before we even get started, I just gotta really explain like the vibe in here. Like I hope we could flash some pictures across the screen. Listen, I gotta explain why my words are slurred too. So this might motivate you to come here. If you don't come here for the food, you come here for the drinks. Because that bartender, so the vibe is crazy in here. Like the energy is awesome. Like it's an old fire station. It don't even look like it, but it looked like a scene from Ghostbusters or something like that. Like, I'm sorry, but it still looks like an elegant scene from Ghostbusters. So forget all that talking. We're about to dig into this food. So this is red snapper. If you know, you know. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, I'm using my hand and my finger. That tastes like that song. If you're a fish lover, you definitely love this. Dip it in the sauce. The music playing in the background. I gotta get my shirt out of the way, man. They're playing Chuck Fender in the background. If you know, you know. I don't even gotta explain it. Real island vibes alone. If you ain't had some real good red snapper in a while, you come down here and check it out. Period. Look at that. And then the sauce, I already know that Szechuan. Some somebody trying to slide their red beans over here so I could focus on that and not their red snapper, because that's what they wanted. Oh, look at that. See the smoke coming off of that? Fresh. So, for all my Caribbean masters, you know the difference in the dishes and stuff. I do too. So this, no. All jokes aside, we're gonna kill all of that. Every island make their own specialty. So this is definitely Jamaican rice. The red snapper, it got some Puerto Rican Trinidad, but it's most definitely good. This is definitely Jamaican rice. Now the macaroni is gonna be tough, guys. This look like some macaroni pie. Cause you know in the VI we like to make the macaroni pie, you know. Not got to be the VI. I don't care what they tell me. You see the drip though. That's a VI right there. So we're gonna travel down to Trinidad. Cause I want to say Trinidad is the ambassador of the Roti. I can't really say that because I don't know the history. But you let me know. Drop a comment. And you let me know if who you think make the best Roti. In my opinion, is Trinidad. I ain't trying to disrespect nobody's culture or anything, but that's just my opinion. Look at that. You see that? It's coming straight off the bone, bro. Oh my goodness. I don't like bones in my roti. I like to just dig into my roti, like just eat my roti with no caution, no breaks, none. Digging straight into the roti. So we're gonna keep the bones in the bowl. How you playing games? Look at that shit. And then they playing music, like they're playing the real Caribbean vibes. This gonna be, wait, hold up, wait a minute. This is a first. Like I've never reported like Roti and stuff like that. This is a first, so we've been to restaurants in the Caribbean, but not a restaurant out the Caribbean that has catered to the Caribbean vibe. And then this is in the heart of Atlanta. We'll show the pictures and stuff. This ain't nothing but bones left, so I think I've picked out all the bones. Plantain. If you're not familiar with plantain, go look it up. It's like a banana. It's in the family of the bananas. This thing right here. If you could fry this good, use a master at what you do. Look at that. They get my approval because it's not too hard, it's not too soft, like it's just right. Like I hate hard plantain. And really, to be honest with you, I'm gonna keep it 100. A lot of times I went to Jamaican restaurants and they have real hard plantain. This is soft. That's how plantain should be. Fried, a little crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. In my opinion. So we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, so this is the Roti skin. For me to professionally explain what this is at this very moment in time, I can't do it. But I know it's made from chickpeas because I had a friend that used to make Roti skins and they used to grind up the chickpeas in this little machine, this little grinder. And then when it turned to floury, they would take like a flour dough and like paste it with the It's chickpeas. That's what it's chickpeas. They used to coat it in the chickpeas and then cover it, and then like it's a whole process. So the person who makes this roti dough, laugh if you want to, I salute you, because it's a whole process before you even get to the roti dough, period. If I'm wrong, drop a comment, because if I'm wrong, I'm cool with being wrong. Just let me know. But that's my roti right there. You see that? I put all the meat in there and I folded it up. Hopefully there's no bones in there, because right now I'm very anxious to eat this. So I don't know if I'm going to swallow these bones or not. So pray for me. So this is pretty good. So how they do it, like in Trinidad, I'm sorry, my father's from Trinidad, so I have been exposed to how you do stuff in Trinidad. And you dip it in there to like, so the skins could be wet. So who want to be eating dry skin? Okay. Y'all laughing at me because I'm talking with my mouth full. Who wants to be eating dry skin? If you're a Trini and you're watching this, you already know. Because a Trini could literally just eat skins all day. Or eat doubles. Y'all know what doubles is. Doubles is just the chickpeas and the skins alone.